Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Not to sound like a broken record, but interest rates are clearly going to head lower by mid-year. There could be 3 cuts in 2024 and more in 2025. And what this essentially means is that capital-intensive companies with debt will see improvements in their margins and profitability. And that's what we expect to see with the real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. If you are on the hunt for a monthly income REIT, Apple Hospitality REIT Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol APLE, might be exactly what you're looking for. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Apple Hospitality, as its name sort of implies, owns and operates 223 high-end hotels in the U.S., including 118 Hilton hotels, 100 Marriott hotels, and 5 Hyatt hotels. It also owns one property that it leases to third parties. The company operates in 87 markets across 37 states. And with overall travel picking up and business travel slowly rebounding, the demands for a hotel are expected to follow, which should help boost Apple Hospitality stock, which, as of this recording, Apple's stock price is up around 24% over the past year at around $16.50. It's actually approaching its 52-week high of $17.90 that it hit in December 2023.
Apple Hospitality like for income seekers.
Well, as mentioned earlier, APLE stock pays monthly dividend, which suits investors who seek regular income. Moreover, Apple Hospitality REIT Inc. shareholders can use their dividends to buy alternative shares of the company through their dividend reinvestment plan. Apple Hospitality stock also has paid monthly dividends for 10 straight years, albeit the last time it raised the dividend amount was in November 2022. The stock currently pays monthly dividends of 8 cents per share, which, as of this recording, translates to a forward yield of around 5.91%.
What's happening financially here? I can't imagine the 2020 health crisis was good for hospitality stocks.
No, but Apple Hospitality has achieved 3 consecutive years of revenue growth, including 2 years of high double-digit growth emerging from its health crisis lows of 2020. The company recorded its highest actual revenues in 2023, and they're expected to actually continue rising. Analysts estimate that Apple Hospitality will increase its revenue by more than 6% to $1.43 billion this year, and follow that with growth of 2.5% to $1.46 billion in 2025. As for the bottom line, or profitability, Apple Hospitality REIT Inc. has consisted generally profitable, except, of course, in 2020. In 2023, diluted earnings per share of 77 cents matched its high in 2019 and represents steady recovery from the 2020 health crisis. And the company's earnings growth is expected to continue, with Apple Hospitality projected to report 85 cents per diluted share in 2024 and 90 cents per diluted share in 2025. The expected earnings per share for 2025 would be the company's highest level since 2018.
What about its free cash flow?
Well, Apple Hospitality REIT has churned out 3 straight years of free cash flow, setting a record high in 2023. The company's high free cash flow helps it make capital expenditures, pay down debt, and, of course, provide dividends. Apple Hospitality's REIT's positive free cash flow is important, given that the company is saddled with around $1.5 billion of debt on its balance sheet. As of this recording, I don't expect any significant problems given the company's free cash flow and profitability. Now, Apple Hospitality has managed to easily cover its annual interest expenses with higher earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT. And the company's interest coverage ratio of 3.6 in 2023 was pretty healthy.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Admittedly, it would be nice to see dividend growth from APLE stock, but its consistent monthly payouts and its share price appreciation over the past year or more is more than welcome. Furthermore, institutional investors love Apple Hospitality REIT Inc. As of this recording, 439 institutions hold about 90.6% stake in the company. The top 2 institutional holders of Apple Hospitality stock are BlackRock Inc. with a 15.95% stake, and the Vanguard Group Inc. with a 14.22% stake. Our view is that a recovery by the travel industry will provide bullish tailwinds for the sector in general and APLE stock in particular. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income ideas soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.